In today's video, I'll show you how to insert a photo in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. Click Insert. Select Pictures, then select this device. Select any pictures. If you can't remove the image, follow this step. Right-click on the images. Now you can place the image anywhere you want. This way you can add any image to MS Word.